Hey y'all, it's your girl Honey. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a voiceover video. So I just wanted to do my intro now and get it out the way for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that way you'll be the first one to see when I post another video. You could be the first one to watch it. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so what we're going to be doing today is, well, what I'm going to be doing today is making a brown slash nude lip gloss. This is actually going to be my first time making it today in front of you guys. So this, what I'm opening is the TKB lip gloss base. It's a base, or Versagel, which everybody else calls it Versagel, same thing. It's going to do the same thing. So we're just going to just put this into the bowl. I'm going to put it in the bowl. And I honestly eyeball everything because I know like how I like my lip gloss to be. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to add in our oils. The oils I'm going to be using today is vitamin E oil, castor oil, and coconut oil, which you'll see in this video. And by the way, yes, you want to wear gloves when you work people's stuff. Yes, I have foil on my table. I sanitize my area with bleach and put my foil down, fresh foil. I got my oils from Amazon, and I got my plastic bowls and my spoons from the dollar store. And the little syringe that you see, we'll get to that. I got those off of Amazon as well. So there's castor oil. I'm just eyeballing everything because I know the consistency of the gloss that I need. So now we're just going to go in and start mixing everything together. Okay, guys, so yeah, so I'm just mixing everything up until I get the consistency that I need, that I want. So I'm just going back in with my castor oil. I go back in and on this video and add my oils just by eyeballing it to get, you know, you'll see, just to get with the look that I'm looking for the lip gloss. Because like I said before, nobody wants no super thick or super runny lip gloss, so you want to have it in between. Well, at least I do. So we're just going to continue to mix. And yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the consistency that I'm needing for the gloss. So this is my lip liquid that I just got off of tkbtrading.com. It is Log Cabin. That's the name of the color. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour this on here just like that. So like I said, this is my first time making this, so y'all doing it with me because I honestly am just winging it right now and just praying that it comes out how I envisioned in my head. So we're just going to mix all this up for a little bit. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna keep mixing this up. All right, so right now we're gonna go in with our jasmine scent. This is from getsuckered.com. I will leave their link in the description box down below. I actually found out about them from Illy's Cosmetics. She's also a YouTuber on YouTube. So this is where I got the oils from. I got a 12 pack and they're very affordable. I actually talk about these more in my next video, so stay tuned for that. So you're just going to put your flavoring oil in there, and these oils really are strong, not super strong, but enough that the customer is going to love it. So you're just going to add that in there and just mix everything up as you see me doing here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just mixing it up. You see the consistency that I have. It's looking pretty good. It's looking the way that I need it to be. So now, what are we doing? What are we doing, girl? What are we doing? Okay, we're cleaning up. Clean up as you go, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now what we're going to do, once we're done mixing, as you see, I'm still mixing. We're going to take our pipettes, which I got from AliExpress.com. I got 100 for like $3 or $4 plus the shipping. So we're going to take one of these out the bag. And you will be needing scissors because you're going to, okay, there's a syringe, also Amazon. Okay, these are the tubes that I'm going to be using, my wand tube and my squeeze tube. That's the stopper for it. All of your wand tubes should have stoppers. If they don't, it's your lip gloss going to look super duper sloppy. Here's my squeeze tubes, also Amazon. My wand tubes, I got those off of Amazon as well. Okay. With the stopper and the cap, okay. Okay. Okay, so like I said, you're going to need scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the ends off of these. So just watch as I do it here. You'll see why in a moment. Okay, you're going to cut the big piece off of the pipette and cut the really skinny part at the bottom. Okay, the reasoning for this is you are going to need to put that into the syringe. So let's not get too ahead of ourselves. So let's just do this first. Mix it up a little bit more. Okay, you're going to take your syringe, girl, and you're going to just suction up some of the lip gloss, as you see me doing here. Okay. I think in this part I was struggling because these are already I already cleaned, sanitized these tubes, but it was kind of hard doing with one hand because I normally do it with two hands, but yeah, we gonna get through it. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to, what am I finna do? Oh. Okay, so I have paper towels because I'm going to wipe off the excess from the syringe so that way it's not messy. Okay. All right, so this is the part I was talking about. You're going to take what we just cut, those two ends from that pipette. You're going to put it on the end or the tip of your syringe. Okay? You're going to pick up your wand tube. And you're just going to start from the bottom. And if you want, the method that I chose that works is just putting it twisting the wand tube around, or it's hard to explain. Just watch how I do it. It's really, I'm not good with explaining a lot of stuff like that. So yeah, so you want to make sure that you do not fill it all the way up because once you put your wand tube in, it's not going to go in and it's going to be a whole mess. So you see I stop right there. You do not want to overfill your tube because when a customer gets it, they're going to be pissed off because it's going to be a mess. even with the stopper, it's still going to be a freaking mess. Okay, so I'm putting the stopper in there now, and then boom, the wand tube. You see how now it looks completely full once you add the stopper with the wand tube. So that's what you want right there. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with the squeeze tube. Okay, you're going to start from the corners. I work from corner to corner, so just moving it across, or I do it in a circular motion. It just depends on, it just depends on my mood or like how I feel like doing it. Normally I start in the corners and then just like twist it around, as you see I'm doing right here. Okay. So yeah, we're still filling that tube. So just watch the rest of the video and you'll see. It looks like it's a lot, but it is, but it's really not, like once you get the hang of it. So for this one, I am going to fill it up more because once I put the stopper in, well, the cap in, it is not going to make a mess at all. I promise you. Like, I've been doing this for a minute now, so I got this part down. Because it's a squeeze tube, so it's going to squeeze. Nobody want to have a half full product, so this will be fine. So I'm just going to add some more because I ran out and finish filling it and finish adding the top and stuff. Okay, guys, so this is going to be the finished product. So these are now available on my website as of today. It is called Foxy, and these are going to be for $6.